Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I am at the Embassy Suites by Hilton in Phoenix, Arizona, and I wanted to give you a peek at my room real quick. And first I was going to show you the inside of this hotel because it's amazing. As you can see, the rooms are laid out really neat. That is down below by the bar area and the lobby. And we are on the 10th floor. This is a hosted visit. As you know, I'm a big Hilton fan, and one thing that I already love about Embassy Suites is that every room is a suite. So it really kind of takes the guesswork out of what kind of room you're getting. This is just a lovely hotel. It is so beautiful. It just feels really elegant and really like home at the same time. So right when we walked in, I love the layout of this hotel room. Really big TV right here, and you've got a really nice sitting area. You can see all that. So it just kind of has a really comfortable feel to it. And then you can see where we are looks out over the Phoenix area. It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but then you come into the bedroom here. And we've got a room with 2 queen-size beds. Another really nice television set. Again, another view of the city. Lots of drawer space, which I really like. A full-length mirror, which I really like. Then you've also got an entrance into the bathroom from the bedroom. But I'm going to walk you around and show you the bathroom this way because I also want to give you a peek at this little kitchen area. It's got its own microwave. It's got a little cupboard to store food products in. It's got a refrigerator. And then, of course, it's got a little bar area with a coffee bar and a sink, coffee cups. Just really well thought out. And I just wanted you to kind of see how this type of room, the rooms here at Embassy Suites, are really more like a little getaway, less of a small hotel room. Toilet area and a really nice sized shower. And then you've got your closet area here in the bathroom that has your extra bedding, hangers, safe, luggage rack, and ironing board. So as you can see, really nice sized rooms, kind of great for family travel, business travel, nice sized desk. There you go. There is a peek at my room here at the Embassy Suites by Hilton in Phoenix, Arizona. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.